2018 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, CD player, electronic stability control, heated front seats, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, security system, compass, tachometer, remote keyless entry. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.